Hi there. Welcome to our video explaining how search engines work. We'll give you the basics on how search engines find web pages, what they do with the pages they find, and how they decide what results to show. When you're using a search engine to find the closest yoga center, you're probably not thinking about search engine technology. But later, you might wonder, how did it do that? How did it sort through the entire internet so quickly and choose the results you saw on the page? Search engines each use their own software programs, but the way they work is pretty similar. They all perform three tasks. First, they examine content they learn about and have permission to see. That's called crawling. Second, they categorize each piece of content. That's called indexing. And third, they decide which content is most useful to searchers. That's called ranking. Let's take a closer look at how these work. Search engines crawl the internet to discover content like web pages, images, and videos. Each search engine uses computer programs called bots, short for robot, crawlers or spiders to make their way through the pages. The bots hop from page to page by following links to other pages. These bots never stop. Their sole purpose is to visit and revisit pages looking for new links and new content to include in the index. Indexing is the second part of the process. The index is a gigantic list of all the web pages and content found by the bots. The search engine uses the index as the source of information displayed on the search results pages. But not everything the bots find makes it into a search engine's index. For example, search engines may find multiple copies of the exact same piece of content located on different web pages. How's that possible? Well, imagine you're not searching for a yoga center, but a yoga mat. You might notice that a high-quality PVC yoga mat has the same word-for-word description on the websites of many major retailers. The description might have been provided by the manufacturer, but now the search engine has decisions to make. Which version to keep in the index? There's no need for hundreds of duplicates, so it's unlikely that every page will be added. So if you own a website that's selling yoga mats, you're likely better off writing your own description of the PVC yoga mat. Make sense? That covers crawling and indexing, which just leaves us with ranking. When you type in a search, the engine compares the words and phrases you use to its index, looking for matching results. Let's say, for example, the search engine finds 230 million matching results. Now it's time for the last part of the search engine's task, ranking. The way search engines rank pages is top secret. It's their special sauce. There are hundreds of ways search engines determine rank, including things like the words on the page, the number of other websites linking to it, and the freshness of the content. But no matter what formula they use to determine rank, the goal remains the same: to try to connect the searcher with what they're looking for. Say you've read about power yoga and you want to practice it. If you search for power yoga classes near me, the search engine will show you nearby centers teaching this form because your search indicated your location. You might even see a map to help you find them. So what have we learned? Search engines are constantly working to scour the web for content, organize it, and then display the most relevant results to searchers. Understanding this process will help you make your website the best it can be.